Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to ServiceNow 911. In today's video we discuss an important question, that is what all things get captured in update set. This is a very confusing question, right? And along with that there is an attribute known as update sync. So what is the relation between this question and update sync? So let me go to the instance right away. You see this is my update set which is right now open, okay? Along with this, we have open dictionary entries where we are showing update sync equal to true. This is an attribute. So generally we use this attribute in the tables only. So I have opened this table CMDB CI REL type, that is relationship type, okay? And along with that I have opened one more table. This is incident table, and in this table there is no update sync attribute. You see here, there is no update sync attribute here. So now let me make some update in this table here. I will update this child descriptor field, okay? I will change allocated to done. Let me update one record here in this table as well. Let's say I will update the short description to test. So I have made update in both the table. One table is the one where update sync is true, and the second table is the one where there is no update sync or update sync is false. So now let me go to my update set, refresh this. You see here CI relationship type is got captured. It means all the tables where update sync attribute is true will get captured in the update set, and all the tables where update sync is false or not available, all those are not get captured in the update set. So this is the simple sure short answer for that question, okay? But now you will ask, can we add this attribute to any other table? Yes, it is possible, but it is not recommended at all, okay? And in case you want to do so, you have to ask ServiceNow, you have to log a ticket to ServiceNow and ask or tell them, okay, I want this particular table to be included in update sync equal to true, and based on their recommendation, you can take the step forward. Because if you do without consultation, there may be some performance issues, and if that happens in production you will be in big trouble. So you have to be careful, but you understand the use of update sync attribute as well as the question which all table get captured in update set. I hope you understand it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.